crazy step. Do you have a washing machine in your home? We use a washing machine every day. However, it wastes lots of things when you use it, such as water, energy, and time. For one washing machine cycle, the water consumption is 6 litres, and the energy used is equal to 6 fridges. One washing machine cycle takes 1 hour. Therefore, let's use a better one. This washing machine is called Crazy Step. Open the cover and put the clothes that you need to wash into the Crazy Step. Then add detergent. Next, pour a cover of water into it and put the cover on. After that, press your foot up and down on the step for 5 minutes to wash the clothes. After 5 minutes, turn to the back and press the red button to empty the water. Finally, use your foot on the step for 5 more minutes, then hang out the clothes to dry.